Today we will going to discuss about suffocation, smothering, gagging, medical legal importance of smothering, then choking, lastly traumatic asphyxia, then throttling. We discuss all about the strangulation of FMT topic. So without further delay, let us start. First is the suffocation. What does mean suffocation? Suffocation means asphyxia caused by the mechanical obstruction of respiratory passage other than drowning and constriction of a neck. Other than drowning and constriction of a neck, those mechanical obstruction which causes respiratory passage obstruction due to which asphyxia results, this is known as suffocation. It includes smothering, choking, traumatic asphyxia. What is smothering? Smothering caused by the obstruction of air passage from outside, that is hand, cloths or plastic bag on hand or nose causing respiratory passage obstruction which results smothering. In homicidal smothering, aberration and bruises found in the region of the nose and mouth generally but may be absent if the case happened by pressing against a soft material such as a soft pillow or bed clothes. So that what happens, the side of the neck and the head should be examined for in that cases of a violence. So that the side of the neck and head examination is most done during the soft pillow or bed clothes smothering case. Then in this smothering, that the injuries happen in the lips because of a pressure against the teeth, bruising of the gums, etc. Then gagging. What is gagging? Gagging is a type of a choking effected by choking by prevention of air through the mouth or nose. So most commonly gag used for that is handkerchief, sari or dhoti. What happens? There is moistening of saliva and vomitus occurs inside the vomitus which obstruct the block the air passage. This saliva and the vomitus when packed inside the mouth, they causes the obstruction of the air passage. Then what is the microscopical picture of a smothering? There is mild acute emphysema with edema of lungs. Why edema? Because there is obstruction of the blood vessel which results into edema of the lungs. Then a mild scattered area of a petechial mark will be found with congestion also found. Due to congestion, there will be edema of the lungs. Obstruction of a plastic bag occurs in the suicidal or accidental smothering. Then medical legal importance of a smothering. During accidental smothering, it will occur mainly alcoholics when rolled over or bury their face on the pillow, occasionally accidentally. Infants, there will be smothering occur due to the weight of the bed clothes. If when they cover their face with the weight of the bed clothes, they causes the smother of the infant which results to death of the infant. Children may die while playing with the plastic bags. If mother rolled over the baby during feeding of the breast during the sleeping period, then the baby will be die. Homicidal occurs mostly in the infant. Then autopsy of a smothering. There will be cyanosis of the face found, numerous petechial marks with the demarcation lining of the smothering found. Others are that is injury to the edges of the lungs, ribs fracture may happen, bilateral lungs or a heart obstruction is found. Medical importance. Normally smothering is accidental, rarely homicidal. That is example Vansadhara. Then choking. Occlusion of air passage leads to the asphyxia by some object. There will be death occur due to the vagal inhibition, asphyxia, laryngeal spasm and bronchospasm. This object causes the violence which results in the explosion of those objects which leads to the choking. Autopsy of a choking. The signs of artificial death and the object responsible for choking should be found in the respiratory passage. Also tongue, if we examine, then we can find the position and the presence or absence of a bruise found with bite marker on the tongue. Medical legal importance. Usually choking is accidental, homicidal and suicidal rarely occur. There will be any impaction of food or fish bone or any further foreign bodies if appears on the air passage, this results into the choking. Then inhalation of a vomitus or a material during the alcohol or the anesthetic or coma person also leads to the choking. Cave conversion. It is also a accidental choking due to the blow of a food causing complete or obstruction larynx. This occultation of the air passage leads to a condition which is known as a coronary heart attack in old people. When gag reflex is suppressed, occurs mostly in intoxicated person. Reflex of a cardiac arrest due to the stimulation of a laryngeal nerve ending that results in the coronary. Then lastly, traumatic asphyxia or cross asphyxia, which results due to the trauma of the chest or any external pressure it gives on the chest. This results into abdomen asphyxia. So in the choking, we discussed that it is occurs obstruction inside the larynx, but during smothering it is choking occurs outside the larynx, or outside choking is known as smothering, inside choking is known as choking. Okay, so let's go our traumatic asphyxia, that is caused due to the chest. If unconcentrated movement of the person in the crowd, there will be the pressure on the chest which results into the trauma to the chest. Then non-penetrating trauma, such as a pin down. If in the car there will be being pinned down will be occurs, and which results to traumatic asphyxia. Also in collapse of the vehicle or a house collapse, there will be also this type of asphyxia found. Lastly, throttling or manual strangulation. It is a form of strangulation effected by hand. Autopsy, there will be external find, that is asphyxia will be found present. Asphyxial sign of all the death is reduced if the death is supervened quickly by cardiac invasion of a pressure on the cardiac invasion. At that time, asphyxial sign is reduced because the cause is cardiac invasion on the pressure on carotid sinus or vagus nerve. Then other signs, that will be strong bruise bitten by the teeth, injury in the face, chest indicating struggle, face and eyes may have multiple petechial marks, body temperature may be rise. Then injury to neck, there will be important injury, that is ecchymosis and bruises is found in the front and the side of the neck, chiefly laryngeal, above or above to laryngeal muscle. It depends upon the assailant grasping, manner of grasping and amount of pressure exerted on that victim. Then when the one hand is under the throttling, there is a single bruise and multiple bruise appear, because single bruise due to the thumb and multiple bruise due to the fingernails. If both the hands are used, then relative position of a thumb and fingers appears due to the degree of pressure applied to the thumbs and finger on that tissue. The thumbnail scratch also found, which is more deeper than the fingernail. It is important to check whether the fingernails of a victim is present or also. If present, there will be skin fragments, blood under the nails appear, and which results DNA and the blood grouping of that person will be found. What are the internal appearance? That is V-shaped incision. If we done, then we can found that there will be soft tissue of the neck forced backward towards the cervix, and the subcutaneous tissues present below the injured area. There will be extra pulsation of the blood will be found. With that, we have superior horn of the thyroid cartilage are more commonly fractured than the higher bone. Sometimes there will be hemorrhage and bruising of the muscle around the larynx we find. Mostly laryngeal cartilage and hyoid bone is fractured above the person 40 years, and there will be also bruising at the base of the tongue we find. Medical legal importance. Whether the death is due to the throttling or we know from this medical legal importance by the nail mark, fingerprint, swelling of the tissue at the injury area due to the compression, and the bruising founding in the surrounding muscles of the thyroid with general signs of asphyxia. Whether it is a suicidal or homicidal, mainly throttling is suicidal not happen, but homicidal appears in the children, women and girls with sexual rape women associated with throttling, and in that period there is 50 to 20 seconds is required for strong suffocative grip, so that there will be congestive sign will be appear and the death will be happen. Accidental case are also there. So homicidal is mostly throttling is homicidal. With this we complete our